Namaste. Today I am going to brief you about our project which is acrylic bending machine. You all would be familiar with acrylic bending machines. These machines are useful for bending and molding acrylic sheets. They softens and bends the material with the help of heat without reducing its transparency. Well, why we need to bend an acrylic sheet? Acrylic sheets are widely used in decoration, display cases, and in advertising shelves. So, why need an acrylic bending machine? A bending machine which is easy in operation, less time consuming, and handy to move from one place to another. The key features are temperature controller and angle protractor. By using temperature control, we can manually increase or decrease the temperature of nichrome wire which is used to heat the acrylic according to the thickness of acrylic sheet. Angle protractor gives you the advantage of bending acrylic sheet at any angle between 0 to 160 degrees. And to fix an angle on protractor, lock nut on it helps to lock the sheet at that angle.
To operate the machine, first fix the alligator pin to the spring as shown in the video. Then start the main switch. The controller will turn on. As the knob is in lowest position, the heater is off and the wire temperature is shown. Let's set the knob to the desired temperature. As you can notice, the heating has started and the wire has turned red. Till it heats up, let's talk about how the controller works. There is a thermocouple attached beneath the wire which sends the data to the controller. The controller then calculates the heater output using a PI control logic which is used in every industrial applications. A PI control is a proportional integral control which is used with state feedback to control temperature. Using this type of control, we can save power as opposed to traditional on-off control. The temperature can be set from 110 degrees Celsius to 155 degrees Celsius, which is enough for bending acrylic. If you want more temperature, then don't worry, we got maximum power option in our firmware. As you turn the knob to full position, the heater output will be max, regardless of the temperature. For your safety purpose, we have kept a limit of 200 degrees Celsius in our controller, so the chances of burning is very low. As you can see, the temperature of wire is increasing. Heating time for 3 sheets is usually 3 minutes. Looks like the temperature is reaching 130 degrees Celsius. The LED blinking indicates that your acrylic is ready for bending. So let's bend. Lift the flap and match your angle with the angle protector. Tighten the nut. and turn off the heater by setting the knob to the lowest position. The temperature of the acrylic will be displayed on the screen. Allow the acrylic to cool. The cooling time for 3 mm acrylic sheet is usually 1 to 2 minutes. For verifying the angle, we used a digital surface level measurement tool. Accuracy depends on the parallax error. But as you can see, we are in good range of 90 degrees. Let's bend a sheet of 4 mm using same steps to 60 degrees. Rotate the flap, lock the nut. And turn off the heater from the knob. Wait for the sheet to cool down. For 4 mm sheet, it takes 4 to 4.5 minutes to heat and 2 minutes to cool. Looks like the acrylic has cooled off. As you can see, the band is ready. For any new operator, procedures are provided with the machine in the instruction manual. Following these procedures will ensure minimal thermal defects. Let's verify the 60-degree bend. As you can see, the angle is coming out to be 59 degrees. A better precision can be obtained by eliminating the parallax error.